Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying essentials so you don't chase ghosts. First, toggle Wi-Fi or cellular and open a web page to confirm internet access. If that fails, reconnect to a known network. Next, go to the App Store account area and sign out, then sign back in to refresh credentials. Once done, restart your device and make sure the date and time are set automatically, because mismatched time often blocks secure connections. Now you'll move into corrective actions that fix lingering misconfigurations. If connectivity persists, reset network settings to remove problematic Wi-Fi or VPN profiles. This forces a fresh DHCP/SSL handshake. Make sure your operating system is up to date because App Store certificates and TLS libraries change. Also disable any VPN or proxy temporarily to confirm whether an intermediary is blocking the App Store. If direct connection works, reconfigure or switch providers. Finish by removing any account holds and refreshing the app interface. Verify your payment method and billing details. An unpaid or expired card can prevent access. Force close the App Store and relaunch. On some devices, you can clear cache by tapping your profile to refresh listings. If the problem remains, note the exact error code and contact support. Giving them that code plus recent step speeds diagnosis. One tip: try a different network to isolate whether issue is device or network related.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.